just trash it. Hello pumpkins, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaliyah, and we're going to be doing another unboxing today. If you haven't watched my previous unboxing from Not Your Average Babe, go check that out. It's a Halloween mystery bucket, a really good time. This one is not a mystery, but we're still going to have a good time. I've already opened this, as you can tell, because when I ordered it, I already knew everything that was in it, so I didn't feel as much like I needed to, like the Not Your Average Babe one, I literally have just had that box in my office for like 3 weeks because I got it like a while ago, but I didn't want to unbox it except for this video because I wanted to have the element of surprise in real life and not have to pretend like I didn't know what I was seeing. But this one I already knew, so I was just like, whatever, I'll just open it. So yeah, this is the Hocus Pocus collection that just came out recently from ColourPop Cosmetics. And I love Hocus Pocus. I'll probably go watch it tonight after this. And if you watched my makeup, get ready with me makeup routine video, you know that I am not very good at makeup. I don't really know what I'm doing. So I wouldn't really call this a review because I don't have a lot to compare it to. It's more of a, sharing experience. I don't know, maybe for people who haven't bought it or are on the fence to be able to see what's in here. So it's a review, and that I'm probably going to look at everything and be like, this is great, but it's not going to be like a hard-hitting review. It's just going to be what is all the goodies in here. And there's a lot of goodies in here. So there are, before I sort of open everything up, there's a eyeshadow palette, 3 lip creme is what they call it, I guess. A mirror, which I'm excited about. We'll look at that in a second. And, oh yeah, I'm excited about that too. A little stamp thing. Let me make sure it's everything. Yeah, okay. Get rid of that box. Let's start with the mirror, because I'm kind of excited about this. Because even if you're not a big makeup person, and I think all of these things are for sale individually on the website as well. I haven't looked recently to see if anything's sold out or not, but I think if you just wanted one of these things, you can buy everything individually. You don't have to get this whole set together. But once again, I just was like, let's just go for it and then do it on behalf of the people so that they can see what it looks like. But one of the things I was really excited about was this little Salem mirror. So this is the box, and it says, I shall always be with you, which, he says in the movie. You can see the Hocus Pocus logo here. So the packaging for all of this is super cute. I'm really excited about this because, you can never have too many. I have a couple of little hand mirrors, but they're both kind of fancy. One's really antique, which I used in my other beauty routine, if you want to see that. And then one is actually a little cat one, but it's also really fancy. This one is a little more utilitarian. It's still really, really awesome, and we'll look at it in a second, but it's, the handle is plastic. Not to say it's not good quality, but I'm just saying, I would feel more comfortable taking this, if I traveled or something like that, as opposed to my fancy silver one. So this is it. It has little cat ears, which is so lovely. Oh, I just got distracted. I was like, oh, you know how when you turn on your camera on your phone and it's on the selfie front-facing camera, but you don't realize it, so you open your phone and you turn on the camera because you're taking a picture of something, but it's on the front-facing camera and you just see the most unattractive image of your own face. It's just and I don't know if you've seen that meme that's the one that's what when I catch a glimpse of myself in the mirror at 3 a.m. or something, and it's just that white fuzzy Yeti monster. If I can find a picture of it, I'll put it up. But anyway, that's what it reminds me of, where I'm just oh gosh. Anyway, that's what happened just now when I held this up. That was a tangent. But here is the mirror, and it says, I shall always be with you on the mirror as well. It says ColourPop and Hocus Pocus, and it's a very, I don't know if you can tell, but it's an iridescent copper orange color. You can see the sparkle there. Is really, really pretty. I love it. And I just love the little cat ears. So cute. And then it's just like a nice size mirror. Like, I don't know anything you would need. Like, you can really see your whole face in it, or like if you're gonna do makeup or eyebrow stuff or whatever it is that you like to do, or if you just want to gaze wistfully at your own reflection. It's really good for all of those things. So yeah, I like it. I like that. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna open is, it's called Trouble Brewing Super Shock Shadow Trio. So it's a trio of individually, you know, containered, is that a word? Eyeshadows. Whoop, 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 whoop. They just pour right out. So they come in this little packaging, which is, I just love all the Hocus Pocus details on the packaging. Like, it's just cardboard, but also I like don't want to throw this away because it's so cute. These are the colors that come in that. This one is called Dost Thou Comprehend? It's kind of a yellowy gold color. It has a little skull on it. This one is called To Be Young and Beautiful Again. And it's more of a kind of, I would say like true gold color, a lighter one than the other one. It has a little eye detail. Just all the details are so amazing on this. But I just love the packaging. It's just what gets me. You know what I mean? Like, they're just like, oh, it's Hocus Pocus? Okay, well, yeah, I mean, I have to buy that. And then the last one is called Forever Bewitching. And this one's kind of a purple, pretty purple color. And it has a little moon. I think sort of the gold, orange, purple theme. Oh, I almost forgot. Halfway through the video and I almost forgot. Taking off my shirt. No, just kidding. It's not that kind of video. But I did wear this shirt just for you guys. But first, Hocus Pocus. Probably should have done that earlier since this is the Hocus Pocus theme video. And then there's also a shadow palette. I just love all the eyeshadow colors. I try and do fancy things with them and I put them on and I'm like, okay, I'll put this color here. And then, you know, like you see people have amazing makeup skills. And then by the time I'm done, it's just all kind of like run together into one color. And I'm just like, well, I mean, it still looks cute, but it's certainly not like the multicolored look. I'm not really good at that. It kind of just all mushes together. So this is the Witching Hour Pressed Powder Palette. Say that 3 times fast. 12 colors in here. Here's what the colors are called. 300 Years, All Hallows Eve. I just love the names are, you know, things from the movie. Moon is Round, Summon Us, Under the Ground, Bubble Bubble, Twist the Bones, Circle of Salt, Green Newt, Life Potion, Hello Billy, Fun Black, oh fun, no that's not what that says, Fur Black as Black, just like this. Sorry, I've seen that movie way too many times. Okay, yeah, so isn't it has the 3 wishes on here. Witching Hour is so cute. Opens up and you have a little mirror with, once again, your little, everyone's favorite witchy trio there. Actually, I guess I shouldn't say that. Some people probably prefer like Charmed or there's probably other witchy trios out there, but these ladies are great. So this is what all the colors look like. When I do wear eyeshadow, I do tend to wear a lot of like gold, orangey, red colors. So I actually will probably use a lot of this. Also the green. Purple I don't wear as much, but I'll probably try and find some reasons to wear that soon. And maybe look up some video tutorials so I can actually make it look cute and not just like, oh, it looks like you put on 1 color when I actually put on like 4 colors. I love the little details of some of them are just flat, but I don't know if you can tell, like there's a little moon in this one. This one has a little cat face in it. So that's really, 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 really cute. And some of them are matte finish and some are like a sparkly, which all of the ones in here are, these 3 are all very sparkly. So it's kind of nice if you're more of a matte person to have the matte ones as well. I'm actually kind of prone to sparkles myself, but definitely it's nice to have different options. Once again, I've had this for a while now and it's just a video that things have just been busy Halloween, busy season, and so I'm only just now getting around to making it. So if this video is airing after Halloween, sorry, but I mean, makeup you could wear, just because it's Hocus Pocus themed doesn't mean you can't wear this all the time. So hopefully you'll still find it useful. So the next thing is there are 3 lip cremes. Creme. So there's one for each witch, which is really fun. And then, and the color kind of goes with their vibe a little bit. Oh, the Winifred one is purple, which I feel like they all kind of have purple in their outfits. And Winifred's sort of standout color is green, but there's no green one because I think maybe they knew people are less likely to wear that on their lips. But Winifred's is a purple color, and it's called Tonight We Fly. So it comes in this little square container. It has a little detail on it, like everything is amazing. I'm not going to try and put it on my face right now because I'd probably botch it, but I'll just put a little bit on my hand so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, it's like a really nice purple. It's not super, super dark. It's definitely purple, but you could, I think, wear it without it being like, boom, purple. You know what I mean? Then we have Mary's color, which is called Calming Circle. And this one, I'll admit, I've actually worn several times already since I got this. Because this is definitely a very wearable everyday color, especially for me who doesn't wear a lot of like really bright color lipstick. It's kind of a nude taupe almost, like it has a little bit of pink peachiness to it, but it's really neutral color. I don't know, it's kind of hard to describe, but I really like it. So it actually, I think, looks even almost a little more pink on camera than it does in real life. It's even more of sort of a taupe color, but I really am loving this color and have been wearing it. So I'm excited about that. The purple I haven't worn yet because I feel like that's definitely more of a statement and I haven't really had a reason to, but I'm sure there's going to be something where I'm like, oh, yes, this purple lip stuff is what I need. Last but not least, we have Sarah, and her color is called Hello Boys. Classic Sarah. And it's black. So yeah, probably not going to be wearing this a lot. Like I said, I'm not really a bright lipstick color person, but especially black. I don't know if I've ever worn black lipstick. I will say I'm going to a witch party this weekend, or kind of a party. Our town is on a river, and I guess there's this big thing where people all dress up as witches, and then they go paddleboard down the river all dressed up as witches. So I'm probably not going to do the paddleboarding part because I would fall in the water and be cold, but I'm going to watch. And also there's sort of a hangout element. So for that, I get to get dressed up as a witch, which is my favorite. So yeah, I think I could definitely find a use for some black lip color doing my witch costume. So I will probably use it for that. So you can see there, pretty standard dark black color. It's hard to tell in the lighting, but I think the black has a really sort of warm undertone to it, almost like a reddish purple undertone. So if that's your color palette, I don't know. Once again, I have no idea like what colors go with my skin tone, but if you think that would be best for you, it's kind of, you can't really tell on camera as much, but definitely looking at it, it has a more warm color undertone than a cold color undertone black. So yeah, there you go. Those are the 3 lippies. So then the last thing is, I'm really excited about this, even though I have no idea, like I probably won't even wear it that much. Although it is the witch costume that I'm going to do this weekend. Okay, we'll talk about that in a second. Anyway, so here's the little box. And it is a spider QT mark. So I don't know if this is the thing like the kids are doing. I am very out of touch with things that are popular. But it's basically like a stamp that you can, how do you open this? that you can stamp on your face as a beauty mark. And it's like a little, I don't know, probably can't see that at all, but it's a spider shape. So I'll just put it on my face right now and then you can see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, that's actually pretty cute. I probably could have used a slightly less pressure. It seems to have stamped pretty cleanly, but if I had used a little less pressure, it might be even more distinct. But it's just a cute little spider. And I actually love that from far away, you can't even really tell what it is. Like, I thought it was going to be like, oh, boom, it looks like a spider. But I feel like you have to be up pretty close to even tell that it's a spider shape. So I feel like that's a fun little detail. You could just wear this as a beauty mark all the time, and most people wouldn't even know that it was a spider until you were like, hello. I don't know why you're getting this close to them, but yeah, so that's really fun. I'm really excited. Honestly, when I was getting this, when I was looking at it online, this was like the thing I was most excited about. Even though I don't really know how much I'll actually wear it, I was just like, that is so cute. But anyway, I think for my witch costume, I have this belt that the little buckle is a spider. So I think I might do like a spider witch theme. I don't know if that's it. But I will have spider sort of accessories to accent my witch costume. So I'm going to use this and my little spider belt, and I have some spider web earrings. That is everything that was in there and how I'm probably going to use some of it this weekend, which super stoked for that. Looking forward to it. So yeah, if you had fun here, let me know. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Have you gotten anything from this collection, or do you have anything from ColourPop at all? I do think everything in the collection is cruelty-free, and then some of the items are vegan. So if that's important to you, you can know that about their stuff. Or did you have a favorite item that you saw here? Was this helpful? Have you been thinking about buying any of this and this was useful to like know about or see it on camera? I'd love to know. I'd love to know what... Do you have any other makeup recommendations for Halloween makeup or stuff you love from ColourPop? Help, I need makeup help. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in as always, and I will see you next time. Oh, well, I made a huge mistake.